Unmatched in the industry and patent pending, the all-new SC1-QB handheld scanner brings a needed breakthrough for healthcare settings. The smooth surface is designed for ease of wipe down and withstands rigorous cleaning to promote an antibacterial environment. Lightweight, quick charging, and powerful, it offers superior performance in any clinical or office setting, as well as in restaurants, retail, and other shared environments. Say goodbye to crevices, cracks, and screw holes. SC1-QB leaves virtually no place where microbes and pathogens can hide. The smooth surface of the SC1 is easy to clean, ideal for day-in, day-out use with chemical disinfectants common to healthcare settings. Its design also uses antimicrobial plastic to further promote safe and sanitary use. At only 4.5 ounces, the SC1-QB is pleasantly lightweight. Ergonomic contours and a pressure-sensitive haptic piezoelectric trigger make scanning a breeze. And SC1's small footprint is perfect for areas with limited space. Whether wall-mounted or installed on a desktop, SC1's compact magnetic charging cradle provides a secure and fast connection. The scanner's internal capacitor will fully charge in just 3 minutes or less, eliminating needless downtime. Need to complete quick work on low power? Get hundreds of scans after only 60 seconds of charging. What's more, the internal capacitor never needs replacement, unlike traditional batteries. With its IP65 rating, the SC1-QB scanner is highly resistant to dust and water intrusion, making it a highly reliable accessory in varying environments and room conditions. The SC1-QB is also made to withstand the rigors typical of daily use, tested in multiple drops from heights of up to 6 feet. Equipped with the latest code reading technology from DENSO, the SC1-QB ensures swift, accurate data capture, scan after scan of both 1D and 2D codes. Never worry about cables getting tangled with wireless scanning. SC1-QB comes enabled with Bluetooth 5 (BLE) for added wireless functionality and is compatible with Android, iOS, and Windows devices. SC1-QB delivers superior performance in both healthcare and pharmaceutical environments, as well as office, retail, restaurant, and food prepping or packing spaces requiring high-powered wireless scanning that stands up to vigorous cleaning.